Good evening. Today, continuation of lecture series is on Piconet. What Piconet is? It is a type of network defined within a Bluetooth wireless technology standards, specifically with the scope of IEEE 802.15.1. It is a small ad hoc wireless network that consists of one master device and up to 7 number of active slave devices. The term Piconet is derived from the word pico, which denotes something small combined with net, short for network. It is a Bluetooth enabled electronic device which communicate wirelessly through short range ad hoc networks, simply known as Piconets. Ad hoc, the meaning of ad hoc is there is no hub or no base station. It does not follow any protocols to deploy a network. Piconets are established dynamically and instantly or automatically as Bluetooth enabled devices enter and leave radio proximity. Up to 8 devices can be connected in one Piconet. One will be acting as a master and 7 other devices will act as a slave. Maximum range is up to 10 meters. So the dark color represents the center, represents the master, and the remaining is nothing but a slave. The Piconet master device is in a Piconet whose clock and device addresses are used to define the Piconet physical channel characteristics. All the other devices in the Piconets are named as Piconet slaves. All the devices have the same timing and frequency hopping sequence. In this, the data can be transferred between the master and one slave. The master swiftly switches from slave to slave in a round robin basis. Any Bluetooth device can either be a master or a slave. That device may switch the master or slave role at any time. Next interesting device is nothing but scatternet. It is a type of wireless network topology used within the Bluetooth technology, specifically under the IEEE standard 802.15.1. Unlike Piconet, this also consists of one master and several slaves. A scatternet is formed by linking multiple Piconets together. This interconnection allows devices to communicate across different Piconets, thereby expanding the network's reach and capacity. See, this picture represents the cluster of Piconets connected together to form a scatternet. Any Bluetooth device can be a master of one Piconet and a slave of another Piconet at the same time since it is scattered. A single Piconet can be act as a slave and the same can be act as a master. Scatternet is formed by many number of Piconets, either one or many. Master of one Piconet can participate as slave in another connected Piconet. One Piconet can act both as a master and as a slave. No time or frequency synchronization is established between the Piconets. Bluetooth radio and baseband parameters. See, the topology or modulation or bandwidth, based on all these factors, the baseband parameters has been specified. Based on the topology, it can be mentioned up to 7 links, and the modulation which it depends on is filtered FSK. The bandwidth lies between 220 kHz to 1 MHz, and the RF band supports 2.4 GHz. and carriers is 79. Carrier spacing between the spectrum is 1 megahertz, and the access methods frequency hopping spectrum technique and TDD and TDMA. The frequency hop rate is about 1600 hops per second. This is the technical details of a scatternet. We have discussed about frequency hops spread spectrum method. It is nothing but a access method. Bluetooth technology operates in the 2.4 GHz ISM band using a spread spectrum frequency hopping full duplex signal at a nominal rate of 1600 hops per second. So this every hops, the signal hops among 39 frequencies or speed at a speed of 1 megahertz apart, a pseudo-random fashion. It has been separated by 1 megahertz. The adaptive frequency hopping APH feature version 1.2 onwards is designed to reduce the interference between wireless technologies sharing the entire spectrum. In addition to avoid microwave oven interference, the adaptive frequency hopping feature also avoid interference from WLAN networks. So this is the spectrum representation of frequency hop spread spectrum technique. So 79 hops are here, and the interference caused by the wireless networks and also microwave interference has been addressed here. So this interference and also the adaptive frequency hopping techniques supports the interference caused due to wireless microwave oven and also wireless LAN networks. Thank you.